Which terminal should be energized by the G circuit when checking for manual fan operation? Energize the terminal that the control board designates for fan speed, normally the terminal labeled for fan motor run and commonly called the fan or blower terminal. When testing manual fan operation on furnace or air handler control boards, first remove power and verify wiring diagrams on the board or in the equipment manual so you know which fan terminal corresponds to the G circuit on the thermostat. Restore power and apply a fused 12-volt or 24-volt signal to the G terminal if the system uses 24-volt control or the equivalent control voltage specified by the manufacturer, and observe the blower motor or fan relay for operation. If the board uses separate taps for fan speeds, energizing the fan speed tap labeled for heat typically shows the slower heat fan speed, while a cooling tap engages a higher speed for air conditioning, so test each tap individually to confirm mapping. Use a multimeter set to volts across the control terminals to confirm voltage presence, and a clamp meter on the motor supply to verify current draw matches the motor nameplate when running. If no movement occurs, test the fan relay coil terminals for continuity and listen for relay actuation when you energize the G circuit to distinguish control failure from motor failure. Always follow lockout, tagout procedures and use insulated tools. If the board uses integrated variable speed fan control that accepts a pulse width modulation or frequency signal, describe the expected input range from the manufacturer and simulate that signal only with proper test equipment. Common mistakes include energizing the wrong terminal because board labeling differs between manufacturers, which you avoid by always checking the specific wiring diagram and confirming terminal function before testing. Another frequent issue is testing without isolating power or not using a fuse test source, which can damage control circuits. Protect circuits with the correct fuse or use a bench power supply with current limiting. Technicians sometimes assume a single fan terminal covers all speeds, but many boards have separate speed taps. So test each tap and document which tap corresponds to heat and which to cool for accurate future diagnostics. BigHomeProjects.com connects this diagnostic topic to real-world needs by helping homeowners find local contractors who understand these control board nuances. We also help contractors find work and share techniques in our active discussion community, where we can exchange wiring diagrams and testing tips.